Washington State has over 30 programs designed to help first-time homebuyers purchase a home. Grants, deferred loans, below market interest rates, and down payment assistance. Some of them go up to $76,000. One of them has zero interest and no monthly payments until you sell. And most Seattle buyers have never heard of a single one of them. In this video, I'm going through all of it. Every program that is actually relevant to a Seattle area buyer in 2026, what each one gives you, who qualifies, and exactly how to access it. If you watched my first time buyer guide video and wanted to go deeper on the assistant programs, this is that video. Hey, I'm Kenny Pleasant, Seattle real estate agent, and I've been helping first-time buyers navigate this market for years. And the number one thing I see buyers leave on the table is money they were entitled to and didn't know about. That stops today. Let me walk you through the landscape. Before we get into the down payment assistance, you need to understand the foundation. The Washington State Housing Finance Commission runs two first mortgage programs. Every state-level down payment assistance program in Washington has to be paired with one of these two first mortgages. So this is where you start. Home Advantage is the most broadly available Housing Finance Commission program. It offers below market interest rates on conventional, FHA, VA, or USDA loans. What makes it unusual is the income limit, $215,000 household income. This is not a low-income program. That covers a significant portion of Seattle households. It is open to both first-time and repeat buyers. You need to complete a free homebuyer education class, which you can do online, and this program is the entry point to almost everything else on this list. House Key Opportunity is designed for buyers at lower income levels and offers an even deeper rate discount than Home Advantage. In King and Snohomish counties, the income limit is $175,000 for a one or two person household and $200,000 for three or more people. In Pierce County, it's $130,000 and $155,000. And in Clark, Kitsap, and most other counties in Washington, it's $118,000 and $135,000. For this program, first-time buyer status is required unless you are purchasing in a federally designated target area. Every DPA program here is a deferred second mortgage, meaning no monthly payments. The balance is due when you sell, refinance, or pay off the home. This is real money that does not come out of your monthly budget. Home Advantage DPA. This is the standard down payment assistance paired with the Home Advantage first mortgage. You can receive 3%, 4%, or 5% of your first mortgage loan amount as a deferred loan at 0% interest. On a $700,000 home with 5% down, a $665,000 loan, 5% of that is $33,250. That covers most or all of your down payment. Income limit is $215,000, no first-time buyer requirement. House Key DPA, paired with the House Key First Mortgage. This gives first-time buyers up to $15,000 in down payment assistance at 1% interest, deferred for 30 years. This program has its own separate income limits that are lower than the House Key First Mortgage limits. In King and Snohomish counties, the income limit is $96,950 for one or two person households and $121,150 for three or more people. Your lender will determine which combination fits your income and situation. Veterans DPA. If you serve, this one is for you. Washington State veterans, including surviving spouses and dependent children, can receive up to $10,000 in down payment assistance at 3% simple interest, deferred for 30 years. It can be paired with either Home Advantage or House Key. Stack it with your VA loans zero down and you're in a very strong position. HomeChoice Disability DPA. If you or your family member living with you has a documented disability under the Americans with Disabilities Act, HomeChoice provides up to $15,000 in down payment assistance at 1% interest, deferred for 30 years. The disability must be verified. Income limits apply. $157,100 in King and Snohomish counties and $122,100 in all other counties. This is consistently one of the most underclaimed programs. If it applies to your household, bring it up specifically with your lender. The Covenant Homeownership Program was created by Washington State legislators specifically to address a documented historical injustice. The racially restricted covenants that were used throughout the state to prevent Black, Hispanic and Latino, Native American, Native Hawaiian, Pacific Islander, Korean and Asian Indian families from buying homes in certain neighborhoods. These were legal until 1968. Their effects are still visible in Seattle's wealth and home ownership gap. This program is Washington's attempt to correct that. Here's how it works. If you or a family member, parent, grandparent, or great-grandparent is a member of one of these historically affected groups and lived in Washington state before April 1968, and your household income is at or below 120% of your area median income for your county, you may qualify for a 0% interest deferred loan for your down payment and closing costs. 0%. No monthly payments until you sell or refinance. This loan can go up to 20% of the home's purchase price, up to $150,000 plus closing costs. In 2025, the legislature made this program even stronger through House Bill 1696. The income limit was raised from 100% to 120% of area median income, and a loan forgiveness option was introduced for lower income participants, meaning buyers who were at or below a specific income threshold at the time of purchase may have their entire loan forgiven after 5 years of owning their home. The program assisted 547 home buyers in 24 counties in the first full year. The hotline number and website is below. If you think you might qualify, make that call. And here's something most people do not realize. You can stack the Covenant program with other Washington State Housing Finance Commission programs. Some buyers have covered their entire down payment and closing costs combining programs. Ask your lender specifically about layering. Seattle Office of Housing DPA. If you are buying within Seattle city limits and your household income is at or below 80% of area median income, the City of Seattle has down payment assistance available through partnerships with local nonprofit organizations, up to $76,000 as a 3% deferred loan for 30 years. These are not the Washington statewide programs. These are city-funded programs administered by HomeSight, Habitat for Humanity Seattle King County, HomeSight Community Land Trust, and others. You can access them through organizations, not directly through the city. ARC East King County DPA. If you're buying in Bellevue, Kirkland, Redmond, Issaquah, Sammamish, Mercer Island, Bothell, or other ARC member cities in East King County, this program provides up to $30,000 at 4% simple interest, deferred until sale or transfer. Income limits vary by household size. $84,850 for a one-person household, $96,950 for two, $109,050 for three, and $121,150 for 4 people. If you're looking on the east side and you fit the income range, ask about this one. BECU First-Time Homebuyer Grant. Boeing Employees Credit Union, headquartered here in Washington, offers a first-time buyer grant of up to $8,000, capped at 3% of the purchase price. This is a grant, not a loan. No repayment required. You need to be or become a BECU member, complete a home ownership course, and meet their income limits. You contribute at least 1% of your own funds. The property needs to be a primary residence, and you need to use a BECU conventional fixed or adjustable rate loan. And you need to intend to stay at least 3 years. Funds are first come, first served, and do run out annually, so don't wait. Call the number below or visit their website to get started. HomeSight is a Seattle-based nonprofit lender with several distinct programs worth knowing about. For Indigenous and BIPOC buyers, they have a social justice DPA of $10,000 at 0% interest, deferred for 30 years, that can be laid with other programs. Specifically for Black and African American moderate income buyers, those earning between 80% and 120% of area median income, this is the Sam Smith High Neighborhood Home Ownership Fund, which can provide up to $20,000 toward the home purchase. And for anyone buying in Seattle city limits, HomeSight administers the City of Seattle DPA we just covered, up to $76,000. If you fit any of these profiles, a direct conversation with HomeSight is worth your time. Their number and website is below. How to actually access these programs. Here is the practical roadmap. Step 1. Complete the free homebuyer education class at adheretohome.org. Every Washington State Housing Finance Commission program requires it, and it takes a few hours. Do this before you do anything else. Step 2. Call the Washington State Homeownership Hotline at 1-877-894-4663. Tell them your income, your location, and your situation. They will point you toward the programs you are most likely to qualify for. And step 3, connect with the Washington State Housing Finance Commission approved lender. You can't access these programs through a random lender. You need someone who is trained and approved. The directory is at adheretohome.org/find a partner. And step 4, ask specifically about stacking. Multiple programs can be combined. The buyers who maximize their assistance are the ones who ask their loan officer to map out every program they qualify for simultaneously, not just the first one that fits. My free first-time buyer checklist is in the description, and it includes a section on which questions to ask your lender about these programs and how to bring them up in that first conversation. Grab it, it's free. And if you want to sit down, map out which programs apply to your specific situation, my calendar link is in there too. First conversation is always on me. Here's the bottom line on all of this. Washington State has done more than most states to make home ownership accessible through rate programs, down payment assistance, and historic programs, local city programs, and nonprofit partners. Most buyers walk past all of it because nobody told them it existed. The next step is making the call, completing the class, and connecting with the lender who actually knows how to access these programs. It is a few hours of work that can put tens of thousands of dollars towards your home purchase. If this video was useful, hit like and subscribe. I make videos like this specifically for Seattle area buyers every week. And drop a comment below. I want to know if there is a program on this list you've never heard of before today. Share this video with someone who's trying to buy their first home. They need to see this. See you on the next one.